career, but it's in my soul. That much is clear. Watch me learn, watch me teach on this YouTube channel, Rutherford Garage. We never know what adventure we'll find or what job we'll do, but it's all online.
Guys, don't mind the hair. I'm going to a concert tonight, so I didn't do it yet because I got to work on Phoenix's truck. As you seen in the last video, it's got had a misfire. We test drove it, seemed like it was gone. Came back really hard. Says cylinder 2, cylinder 2, cylinder 2. Check the injector, it's firing. Replace the coil. Coil still said cylinder 2 misfire. Replace the coil again, still said cylinder 2 misfire. So we took a good coil, put it over there, said cylinder 2 misfire. So now we're gonna do a compression test, see if it's down on compression, because as you've seen in one of the shorts there, she made some horrible noises that one night. So I'm thinking something's let go. Then we're down a cylinder. So compression test day. So we took this cylinder coil off of this side over here. Number 3. So therefore, we know that that one was good because it wasn't throwing a misfire. But cylinder 2 still saying misfire. I can unplug the coil, doesn't change anything. Unplug the injector, doesn't change anything. So I'm going to pull one of the spark plugs from this side, probably cylinder 3. That way I can easily access it to get the compression tester on there. Crank it over, see what that's running for compression, and then I'll have a baseline for this side here to see what it's running at in compression. Hopefully it all goes good, but we'll see how it goes. Now, before I'm going to do that on this 2005 Chevy or GMC Sierra, I'm going to pull the fuel pump relay, and I'm going to start the truck and let it run out of gas. That way it's not going to try to start when I crank it over. Oh, I guess there wasn't much fuel in the rails. Cool. Won't be able to prime now to get fuel in, so therefore I'll be good to go. Alright guys, got the compression tester in there. They need to come up with a better design to get those in around the manifolds and stuff, but we're going to crank it over. See where it goes. About 180 psi. Guys, so that side cylinder 3 was 180. We're gonna do this side now and see where it's at. I have Phoenix here, so I'm gonna record him pulling this spark plug out and show you guys the fight to get the compression tester in. So here he goes.
Oh, I have to take my rings off first.
Well, he found his dragon ring.
Yeah. Oh wait. Oh, it's in the car. I'll have to show it later.
I don't understand why they don't make a socket style like this with a quick connect on it that sticks out past the manifold so that you can thread it in easily.
I really don't get it.
Don't mind all the noise in the background. We got a concert tonight, so there's people over right now. I help with the air.
Air. Breathe air.
Yeah, not smoke.
Yeah, breathe air, kids, not smokes. It's bad for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't allowed to put that video that I recorded in Superstore on YouTube. I got told I'd get kicked.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, did you like ask him or some shit?
No, it was Kat. She said no.
Oh. It's already nice and golden.
It's got oil on it.
Nice.
Let's get it so we can focus on it. A little bit of oil already.
Is that a valve seal?
And they have a total of like 2.5 kilometers on it.
Rainbow?
Alright, get the compression tester in.
Let's see what you've been talking about. Hold on.
This side might be easier to go through the wheel well with.
No. I'm gonna try it the normal way and see how bad I can struggle. What the fuck?
You got more room to start it with over here at least.
Yeah, right.
You don't got brake lines in the way and wiring.
And a servo. They're called brake servos, right? Those.
It's a master cylinder.
Well, brake servo, man. I learned it from Car Mechanic Simulator. They call that brake servo.
Well, I think that just explained his struggles. His mechanical knowledge is a game.
And my driving skills is from like SnowRunner and like
Forza.
The Crew.
Hey, the Crew's a good game actually.
Oh man.
Do you have it on Xbox?
No.
Okay.
I have the Crew one, and oh my god, the Crew 2.
I have the Crew 2. Well, I had the Crew 2. I don't think I got the Xbox Pass anymore.
Yeah, I can't get this in. You do your magic. I've already given up, guys. Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh.
We don't know yet.
The whole engine's gonna fucking blow up. Oh, excuse my freaking. Oh, you gotta bleep that out.
I don't even know how to bleep yet.
CapCut, you can just do like a bleep.
As long as it's not the stupid SpongeBob stuff, that got annoying.
Yeah.
When people are using that.
Yeah, that's kind of
The
annoying.
dolphin.
How you doing, Anthony? I just got ignored.
You did.
Yeah.
There's women.
Looks like you got it threaded in.
It always looks like that, and then you go to give it a small tug and it falls out.
Yeah, that's what I was experiencing.
There's gotta be an easier way to do this, man.
It'd be cool if you could like take the hose off of the attachment and then thread it in by hand.
Yeah, like a quick release.
Yeah, and then just plug the hose in. And you're good. That would be so nice.
Hey,
Hey.
All right, now I need the tip. What was that?
Whoa.
Oh,
What is this for?
to check your air filter.
Oh.
I love those gimmicks.
Silly gimmicks. Hold on.
All right. That's not needed for this part. We can leave that off.
Yeah. All right. Moment of truth.
I don't know if you can see that on the show.
All right. Good. About 168.
So it is low off compression then, compared to the other one.
You know that way different in front of grandma. That's
Now let's do it again. See if we can get back to back.
Lower that time. Yep, still staying at around 168, 167. Still the same as before.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let it do it 3 times because that's generally what you do. Is 3 cranks.
He's like, look. It's just a perfect
150.
it is rostro. It seems like the end of the
All right. Now I think we can pull the valve cover off.
All right.
The other side is about 180, so either way, this one's low.
Yeah.
But yeah, valve cover should come off now.
Is there an issue with a wiggly?
No, that has nothing to do with it.
Oh, cool. I always wondered why it wiggled.
You can literally remove it.
Oh, cool.
Come on, turn. Oh, that didn't sound good. Nope, that was fine. Just didn't sound good.
No. Oh, cool. It's just a built-in funnel, basically.
It looks better. I
Yes.
hate those.
I hate those too. Well, start pulling off this side's valve cover and
Yeah.
start investigating.
Well, time lapse.
Yep. All right, so quick update. We got all the
Coils on.
coils off. The I don't know what you would call that, mounting bracket.
I love the fact that they put everything so close to the firewall, you can't even work on it.
Yeah, Mike. Look at this. You know what? Let's just rip out the whole thing. Why not? Why shouldn't we? Right?
Why don't we?
Why don't we? My English isn't very proper.
Like, I wish I had a 10 mil wrench at this point, actually. They
Yeah.
find me a 10 mil wrench.
Yep. You can talk to the folks here. I'll set them up.
You can hear my horny cat in the background.
Yep.
Sounds like she's dying. Yeah, I can't even get that on there.
There you go. Be right back.
Yeah, so I hate Chevy and their firewall bullshit. Because, like, what would be the issue pushing the firewall, not fireball, we're not alcoholics, back like another 1.5 inches? You can't tell me there's not the room for it. And I think this one's rounded. Yeah, so we're gonna work on all of this, getting the valve cover off. we're almost there. It's literally just that one bracket bolt, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 valve body bolts, or valve cover bolts, not valve body. And then she'll be off. I mean, we have to take it off anyways, so when he gets paid on this week, we're gonna get new valve cover gaskets, but it's just really irritating back there. So we'll be back as soon as we're about to pull this valve cover. Valve cover is able to come off. There's your valve cover.
Should I have wiggle room or solid?
Some should be solid, some should wiggle. All right. Go crank it over.
All right. Just 3 times?
Just crank it. Keep going.
Phoenix, wait for a second.
You should have told us you were turning this up.
Yes.
You would say.
We're not turning it on.
Well,
Okay, so everything looked fine when we were cranking it over. We pulled the push rods out. They are fine. So we're just gonna do a reinstall and do some further investigation as to why we're down cylinder 2. We'll be doing this on my truck too, but we got to replace the valve seals on my truck. So I guess we will just put it back together, and you guys will see it when we go to fire it up again, because don't think you need to watch it coming up undone and back together. So we'll put it back together and we'll be with you when we're going to fire it up. Okay guys, so valve cover's going back on right now. He's struggling with the back bolt there. We did another compression test. I forgot to show you guys, but it went up to like 175, 176 twice in a row after, like literally second crank of the engine, it was there. So I'm gonna assume that it was bad valve lash creating a bit of an issue for us.
Average 5'3" owner. That's me.
And he wonders why it takes him forever to get things done.
Hey, it don't take me forever to get things done. I got important calls to deal with.
Yeah, so he's doing that. Meanwhile, I've already stripped this side, put it all back together. He's still trying to put that side back together. I just gotta put a couple of plugs in.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yup. Yo, have you checked out our YouTube channel, Buddy from the US? Hello? What the fuck? Okay, bye-bye. Maybe do.
Oh yeah.
Anyways.
How's that?
Oh, not too bad. Oh, what are we doing now?
Well, I'm still waiting on you to get that side back together so we can fire this thing up.
Well,
Taking out the compression tester. Yeah.
slowly but surely. Yep.
It'd be nice if they like had it so you could get a socket on there and twist it in with a socket and then have a quick connect to slide that onto.
Yeah, that would be really nice, wouldn't it? Here you go. Okay.
Okay, now he's got to put all the ignition stuff back on. This bracket goes back on. I should be in the shower getting ready to go to the concert.
What concert?
I don't know, we're going to a concert tonight.
Oh, what kind of concert?
Probably a concert with music.
Oh.
I don't know who the artist is.
Oh, that's cool. It's these guys, right?
It's the guys that it is, the studs.
Oh yeah, the studs that are the guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I really like the guys that have studs. What do the guys with the studs do?
Probably music and stuff.
Oh yeah, cool. So the studs with the guys, do they stud the guys with the studs?
I don't know what we're even doing anymore at this point.
Me neither. We're just two lonesome mechanics working on a silly 5.3.
Yeah, meanwhile, we got another 5.3 over there that needs some TLC.
Another silly 5.3.
But this 5.3 can't even get out of my carpet for more than a day.
Yeah. I remember the 2 days that I brought this truck to Logan's little yard, and it just broke down every single time I brought it over. This rad hose is from his truck. I think that lower rad hose is too. I can't remember. Is this one the very back one? Should be.
Alright, guys. We'll be back.
Eventually. Start this thing up.
Yeah, hopefully it runs better.
Hopefully.
Bye.
Bye.
Time to fire her up. Wish us luck, guys. Might take a second because there's no feel on the rail. Sounds better. Let's see if I can get it to misfire again. Yeah.
Ear rape warning.
So both times it was multiple cylinder misfire detected,
Both times?
not just cylinder 2.
Okay. 'Cause, yeah, it was popping up with multiple cylinder misfire, and then sometimes it popped up with just cylinder 2, and then back to multiple.
I wish we knew which coils you had on originally because you weren't having that before.
Yeah. Well, the coils that I had on originally, I switched them out because you said those are the ones that were weak, right? 2 and 4 over here.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you got good coils with it.
Yeah.
Just because they were weak at the time doesn't mean that they're worse than what you have now.
Yeah. Because I have the original ones, but
We
they...
don't know which ones they were.
No. It's not that. Like, both of them are crap now because they were left out in the rain.
Okay, so now just go around, make sure all your plug wires are on properly.
Okay.
And then we'll run it again, see if that helps. Hey guys, I didn't film an outro for this video, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I didn't notice until editing this video the smoke coming out of the exhaust, so I'm going to look into that and see what's going on there. I was the one turning over the truck. Phoenix was filming. I didn't understand how that would go, but we will see how it goes when I look into it again. I think I'm taking the week off of doing that on this truck. My back's pretty sore, as well as I got my kids here. I'm gonna spend time with them. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please share the videos, like the videos, comment on the videos, and I'm thinking maybe a casino night will be a good video one of these days. We'll see.